Can we learn English without doing practice? Can we speak English without doing practice? So, good morning to all of you. Today is our fourth day to do practice. So, as you know, I am here to improve my English language because in these days I am not doing practice. So, I have come to making a video and I thought that if I will give time 5 to 10 minutes every day, that I can improve my English and I can speak English very well, because now I know speaking English and I am speaking quite well. Not a good, not a fluent. Yes, I know I will make mistake. So don't focus my mistakes, only listen and keep supporting, keep motivated that I can speak English, I can remove my hesitation, I can improve confidently as well as fluently. So most of the people say that speak fast, you speaking fast English, it means that you are fluent. But no, you are not fluent. Speaking fast is not a fluent. If you want to speak English, so you will have to speak, you will have to do conversation slowly. But you will have to use right grammar, right sentences, right pronunciation. That is the fluent. Did you listen? Did you listen any fluent person who knows the English, who know the English very well? Yeah, they always speak slowly. They do not speak very fast, that you can understand the English language. You can understand their speaking. You can understand their words. What are they saying? You can understand properly. So, same thing is that if we want to become a fluent, so we will have to speak slowly, not very fast. I want to tell you one real life example. When we were kids, so we start the walking little step. Okay, then after the so many days we run. So same way is that if we will speak English step by step and slowly, then we will become a fluent person. So I want to say, if you are a beginner, if you want to improve your English speaking, so you will not have to speak English very fast. You will have to speak English very slow. That you can learn English very easily. English is not just a difficult task. It's a cakewalk. You can learn English very easily. So, this is my short opinion, and now I am doing practice. So, don't focus my speaking, my mistake. I want to improve every day. I will improve every day. So, how is this video? Please tell me in comments box, and see you soon again next video.